The other day I got my new scooter, a Razor Pro model. Time to go test it out.
Where'd he go? Who will ever know? There he is, Superman! Woo! He's gonna go on again. Let's see the ramp. Look, there's a birdie. Birdie. Oh, there he is. Woo. Oh, not so good. Squirrel! Squirrel climbing up that tree. Ramp. Where'd he go? There he is. Woo. Maybe he'll disappear on the other side now. Nope, it's still same side.
I wonder if he's going to do a different trick.
Pretty clouds. That one looks like a tail of a fish. There it is!
Same trick over and over. Boring.
We're going to rate this video. You should rate this video. Maybe a 0, maybe a 5.
And that's my Razor Pro model.
Woo! See ya later. Bye.